Hey y'all, I'm Teddy and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another birthstone video and it's Alexandrite. So I found out that some of the charts that I Googled, some of the birthstones have, some of the months have two birthstones. Let me correct myself. And June happened to be one of them. So it was Pearl and Alexandrite, which is like a lighter amethyst, or is it a dark amethyst? Well, I'm not even call it amethyst because it's not an amethyst, it's an alexandrite. But I did not know that certain months had two birthstones. But in the beginning of this video, I showed y'all the acrylic, the glitter that I used. I mixed it with some clear acrylic and the nails, which was extra large Coffin. I used my number 12 brush, and I did this as a lazy girl method. And it was very fun. It was very fast. It took me all about 30 minutes to do this video. So, I was very excited how this turned out. So I thought to myself that I am going to keep using my extra large coffin nails to do my birthstone videos. Because I like the way they look. It'd be really like over the top and extra and pretty. So, this set came out really nice. I just wished I would have swatched my acrylic first because it's a lot darker than the birthstone itself. And as y'all can see, it's darker than that. But when you Google certain stuff, everybody have their own. When you pull it up, there's so many different colors, and because one of them had three birthstones for June. So I just went with the one where I saw that most of them had two. But this I did what I could. So like I said, I had fun with this set, and as you see, I am doing the lazy girl method, and this is a very easy and very popular method. You cannot go wrong with it. All you doing is picking up your bead and placing it, and you don't even have to use as much. That's why I like this, because there's no spillage. Like once you lay your acrylic in, because you don't have to use as much acrylic or polygel, the cleanup is nice. You don't have a lot to clean up with because you're not using so much, because the bigger the nail, the more the more you can get in. But like I said, there's nothing really seeping out. You fix underneath, spread it out, make it look nice and clean. So I prepped my nails, but I did not use primer and dehydrator. I just removed the shine and added my Model Ones liquid latex because these were coming off. But if you were prepping them right and one of these nails to last long, make sure you use primer and dehydrator. And continue with the rest of the steps when doing your nails. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch me put these nails on. So here we are, filed, buffed, and washed. I really like how these nails came out. So now I'm about to add my crystals on my fingers. I added one for each one, and then I did a design on my pointer and my middle finger. Did I? Hold on, let me watch it. I know I did like two designs. I want to say it was my thumb and my middle. Yeah, it was my thumb and my middle finger. And then the other fingers, they were just, little. It wasn't extravagant as the thumb and the middle finger. Because I didn't want to cover up the one with my ring finger with all the glitter. And then I should have added purple, like a darker purple, because you can barely see, like that pink kind of mixed in with that glitter. Because that glitter got a lot of pink, and I don't call it a rose gold, but it has a lot of pink. And these crystals, even though they were purple, it blended right in. So that's probably you won't be able to see it far away, how it is on this camera, but once I put it to the light, you seeing it. But other than that, I just really liked how these nails turned out. I liked that it was quick. I really like this method. Like I said, the next video for July for the birthstones is gonna be laser girl method. And I'm gonna use these same nails and hopefully, have something way more creative than this, different jewel design. And I hope y'all like it. Like I know I didn't talk much about how I did the nails. Like, okay, so the thing I'm working on now, I'm talking about it now. So I try to do a marble with that. I suck at marbling with acrylic. I don't know why. It's just I don't know if I'm not moving fast enough to mix them, the swirl of colors, or I don't know, cause that's a marble. And I only did that one because after I did it, I said, okay, this ain't looking too hot. So then I tried to do an ombre from the acrylic to the glitter, and it came out kind of cute. So I was like, I should have did two full glitter nails, the ombre, the marble, and then the solid acrylic. But I just wanted the balance, y'all. I wanted it to look cute, and it still did look pretty. So I hope y'all like these nails, and I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest of this video, and I will see y'all again. You have a great day.